I'm having a problem with my iPhone 6 Plus, the regular 6 Plus, so nothing's plugged in the audio jack, and it says headphones on it. So the first trick to do is press and hold the home and power button at the same time, simultaneously. Keep pressing and holding it until it shows the Apple logo. Okay, so that trick didn't work for me. I started up, I put my passcode in, and it's still on headphones. The other trick I recommend you to do is get a Q-tip, take out the fuzzy stuff on one side and insert it into the headphone jack like that. Just play around with the up and down, keep moving it around until you see ringer. Okay guys, so it worked for me. Just keep moving it around, the Q-tip in the headphone jack, and keep pressing up and down until you get ringer. There you have it. And you see I got a notification, it does make noise again. So I'm pretty sure this works for other iPhones with headphone jacks. This is the 6 Plus, the regular, but I'm pretty sure it could work on other iPhones with the headphone jack only. So thanks for watching, thanks for clicking on the video, and give it a like if this worked for you.